Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Oak Brook, local and long-distance movers near me. We offer basic moving services along with packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Finding the right long-distance moving company makes all the difference. With us, you get a team ready to go to work for you. We provide you with the best services possible. Whether you're moving 100 miles or 2,000 miles away, let us help make your relocation easier. We need to move locally. You need an Illinois moving company. The cost might seem like it's not necessary, but moving even locally is a huge job. Imagine all the heavy furniture you will need to load and the boxes. Do you really want to do it all on your own without the help of professionals? Hiring 3 movers means you don't have to worry about your local move. Our team will use a streamlined approach on moving day to take the stress away. We get to your new location faster and keep you from doing any heavy lifting. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Oak Brook moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.